How to fix Tinder not showing pictures on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you need to go and simply completely close Tinder application and then reopen it again. If that does not work, you can open up Settings application, scroll down, tap on Apps, scroll down, find Tinder and then tap onto it. Inside here, make sure cellular data and photo permissions are enabled. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. You can head back to your home screen, open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for Tinder and make sure the app is updated. If not, you can simply tap on the update button when you see it and let your application update to its latest version. If the problem still continues, you can simply long press on Tinder, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete one more time, and then reinstall the Tinder application from the App Store. This will clear any corrupted data and give you a fresh installation. Once you have reinstalled Tinder, sign back in and check if the problem is fixed or not. That's it. Those steps should fix the Tinder photo not showing issue on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.